today we'll be doing what you think you sound like
versus what you actually sound like.
because they are quite different.
Yep, so let's
get
get
on.
on with it.
Do I have to? No! No, Rex. Bad dog. You don't tear up pillows.
Rex, you tore up my favorite pillow. Oh, I can't stay mad at you. So, are you done with the idea? Hybrid tiger dinosaurs trying to take over the Earth.
Well, I think that would be a little hard to make, and we don't have a action figure that's a hybrid tiger dinosaur, so I think we should probably go with a different idea.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
So what do you think about the video idea? Get this. Hybrid tiger dinosaurs trying to take over Earth.
Oh, yeah, I could see it. Definitely. Hey, Barbara, wanna go on sometime?
Sure, that sounds good.
See you later.
Yep. Hey, baby, you and me on a date? What do you say?
Yeah!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment down below.
Like this video
Subscribe over there.
and join me for our last two videos down below.